let's jump right in. Today, I'm gonna talk to you about the asterisks and how you can use them in SAP to target your searches and to do some very nice things. So first thing that you can do with your asterisk is when you want to create you want to see a list or a report with all the data behind any specific field. For instance, we're now in the item master data, and let's say that we would like to see a full list of our items. If you type in asterisk and then tab, enter the I'm sorry, not tab. That only takes you to the next field. If you tab on enter, the system will bring back a full list of all your items. So basically, the asterisk in SAP Business One acts as a wildcard. But what you can also do with the asterisk is, let's say that you have now your full item list here, right? But you want to narrow your search a little bit, and you are not sure about the specific code, and it's going to take you a while if you have to read all through all your list of items, because it might be very, very long, right? So you're not sure of the code, but you remember that it's a printer or it's something that has to do with a printer. So you're positive that the word print it's in there somewhere in the description. The first thing you want to do is you need to select the column in which you have some information. So you see this little arrow here. This means that it will look for any specific information that you place here on the find field. It will look for it on this column. So if you remember something about this product that you think it's included in the description, you first need to sort the list out by description. So as soon as you see the little arrow in the column that you know, then you can use this field to narrow your search. And if you place the keyword that you seem to remember between asterisks, it'll bring back any item with the word with these letters that make up the word print in the description. So you see we've narrowed our search with only a hint of a word that we think was included in the description. So any item that had these 5 letters in the description, we're going to see in this report. So the asterisks are very, very useful for this, and you can not only use them here in the when you already have a report or a list. I'm going to show you right now how to do it in the add mode or the find mode when you're trying to create a document. If you type in asterisk and then print, that will bring back only those items that end with the word print after whatever other text. If you type in print and then asterisk, I'm sorry, I have a little problem at pronouncing that word. It'll show you the results of anything that starts with the word print, but then ends differently. So those are 3 different options that you can use. So any word between asterisks, it's going to bring you anything that has that, but remember to choose the correct column first, because otherwise you might end up not finding what you want. So I'm going to show you how you can use this also when you're working, for instance, on a sales order. Let's say that you're working on this sales order that you want to create, and if you want to create it, you would be on the add mode, and being on the add mode basically means that the blue button, it's going to add a new document, right? So you see you're on the add mode when the blue button here at the bottom of your screen says add, and you are here in this little document icon with a plus sign, which means that you're going to create a new document. So even if you want to create a new document and you don't remember exactly the exact name of your customer, you remember that somewhere, let's say that I'm looking for this customer parameter technology that I have in this database, in this demo database, and I don't remember exactly what the first word is, but I know that somewhere in the name, the word technology is included. So I can use my asterisk here again, and I can type in technology. And then when I hit on tab, it's already bringing this customer because I only have one customer with the word technology on it. If I had several customers, it will bring automatically the list for me to choose from. And then I can go on with my job of creating the sales order. Let's say that instead of creating, we wanted to look for a sales order, a specific sales order. In that case, we would choose the binoculars, and to confirm that we are in the find mode, the blue button in the bottom of our screen says find. So right now we're not creating any document, we're just looking for a document. And let's pretend again that we don't really know what the customer code is, but we remember that somewhere in the name we had the word, let's say, parameter. In that case, again, we can look for the name and see here, it's going to bring us every sales order with the customer having the word parameter in it. Okay, so in this case, we only have one customer called with that word on it. So it's only showing me the complete list of sales order created for this one customer. If we had more than one customer with that word on it, we would see different sales orders for different customers, and we would be able to choose from there. So these are some of the uses of the asterisk sign in SAP Business One. I find this one particularly useful because sometimes codes are not so easy to remember, but we all seem to pick up on names because they make more sense. But sometimes we only remember a fraction of it, and if you don't use this, it might be a little harder to find what you're looking for. I hope it was useful for you. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. You have our phone number and our email in this next screen that I'm going to share right now. Also, you can leave a comment on the videos, and really looking forward to connecting again tomorrow and sharing another SAP Business One tip with you. Thank you and have a lovely day.